Okay, you got me. I give up. I will make sure there's a place for you guys to get your skills training. But before I get started, I'd like to introduce myself for those of you who have never seen me or watched my channel. My name is Coach Eric A. Bradley, aka I am the CEO of Master Boxing, and I came to let you know that upon your request to learn boxing skills in a very fruitful way, we decided to deliver on that. I mean, there are 500,000 people watching this post. What do you want me to do? Not do it? So, what does this entail? 15 seconds. What I'm going to do is help and guide you on learning your footwork. Great skill drills that'll help build your confidence inside of the ring. Teaching methods and techniques on pad work, how to use pads, proper techniques, how to prevent injury, how to maximize power, speed, endurance, and just an array of cool drills. Defense. You see our stuff out on social media where we're showing you all different skills, but you're kind of getting footnotes. What we're going to do here is make sure that you guys have a place where you can post and show your videos, see other people from around the globe do the same thing, learn different techniques that way, but I'll be guiding you guys, yours truly. So you're going to get this, and this for this. Yes, I know. We had to make it available for you guys, so that's all I got for right now. Go right here, sign up. We made it available for all of you guys to get it. Yes, all of you, guys, girls, mixed martial artists, you'll get to learn some of our amazing dynamic footwork training drills. And yes, they transfer into the ring. That's what we made the group for. So enjoy the ride. Until the next time, let's get it popping. I look forward to meeting you, and I hope to see you use your new skill sets. That's all I got for right now. Yes, it's just that simple. Skills training for this. All you got to do now is get started and bring a friend. If you have a training partner, make sure they come and sign up too. It's much better whenever you have a partner, especially in boxing. Until the next time, I'm Coach Eric Bradley here. This is Master Boxing, where you'll get your master's degree in boxing. You know the tagline, coaches, we work for you. Remember, these are your basic skills. Coming soon, our Peekaboo and our Philly Shell group. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, go ahead. It's going down. Peace.